Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something different. We are gonna make a famous bubble cloud, whatever you want to call it, mirror. So I found this trend on Instagram and I just wanted to do it myself. So I'll share this with you, how I go, and if you like the idea, try at home. I think it's super easy, but we'll see. You need only a few things. Mirror, obviously. It can be a big mirror, small mirror, any shape, anything. Then you will need cleaning spray for the mirror because before anything we'll have to clean it. And then you will need this high expanding foam. I bought just one can of 500 ml because I think that will be enough for this medium size mirror. If your mirror is big, you'll probably need two of those, or actually you can buy a big one that I think it's 700 ml at Bunnings. Let's just start with this first. Let's clean the mirror. Just make sure before you start doing anything actually to put this plastic thing underneath just in case you don't dirty something, yeah? Or you can do it outside. I prefer being in my room because it's cold outside. Okay, now that the mirror is clean, we're going to use this high expanding foam. It says that we have to pre-moisture surface that we're going to put the foam on, and it says to shake for 20 seconds. So I want to pre-moist only edges of my mirror where we will put the foam. And they said to shake this for 20 seconds. I don't know why I'm scared. Obviously you can see that I used all of it, and I think I'll need one more bottle to do the whole mirror. So I'm going to Bunnings now to buy another bottle. Alright, your girl's back with another bottle. I'm so excited about this mirror, you don't even know. Shake it for 20 seconds. Alright, have to put a bit of water again because it got dry. I don't know why am I so excited about this, but like I just love doing stuff at home. Shit. This is so fun. Alright, now we have to wait half an hour for the foam to dry, and we'll see how it's gonna look, but I like it already. I'm so excited about this. So this is literally it. We are finished with this foam cloud mirror. I'll have to wait for it to dry and then I'll style it and take some pics. So I'm gonna finish the video now and show you more pictures on my Instagram. And well, I hope I helped you with this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.